going, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got this, the Nissan Skyline GTR. It is amazing red pearl paint job with BBS LM wheels, and I actually got this from my friend Keeping Diecast. So massive shout out to Ideal for hooking us up with this. He gave it away at a very decent price, I must say. And yeah, I'm just super excited to finally have another MiniGT in my collection. If you guys know and have seen recently, I have been expanding my MiniGT lineup because I want to get more MiniGTs. Obviously, these are more premium cars. They look amazing as well. And wait, I'm sorry, I forgot to let you guys see something. And you guys can see this is actually a limited model, one of 3,000 in the world. Very nicely done. The back is plain, nothing at the back at all, nothing. It's very plain, but it's limited, one of 3,000 in the world. And the reason why I got this car is because the paint job, I must say, is amazing, guys. We're gonna ever so carefully remove this, and I'll show you guys what I mean. Just check it out. Hopefully the camera does it some justice today, but the paint job on this is just ever so amazing. And alright, before we get into the car, I'm gonna just go through the box first. Obviously the box is a very standard MiniGT box. It says it's on Skyline GTR right here, red pearl with BBS LM wheels, and the wheels on this are amazing as well. Nothing much in the box. The box is plain. If you guys open the box, you guys can also see that they actually provide the plastic protector right here. So if you want to transport, if you want to bring your car around, you can do it. You can protect your car, which I think is a very nice thing that they did. And obviously, as for the car, it does come with its own plastic protector right there. So we are gonna ever so carefully remove this. And why I say ever so carefully is because the side mirrors here, guys, these are rubber bits, and I don't want to break them because that will just make the car look awkward, right? So here we go. Let's address the first thing that I mentioned to you, which is the paint job. She is glistening, guys. You guys remember you saw a video on a Ford GT that I unboxed a few days ago. That paint job was amazing, and now she has an amazing paint job, guys. Just check it out. I don't know if, and I hope the camera is doing some justice to it, but the paint job on this is just immaculate and really very nicely done. Alright, so let's just dive straight into the vehicle. Besides the paint job, obviously the BBS rims are amazing. They're actually the reason why this car stands out, right? It's because of the collaboration with BBS to have these amazing rims over here. And if you look at the front, obviously we've got plastic headlight tempers right there, and there we've got a Nismo on the intercooler as well, and then we've got a carbon fiber hood. So obviously the whole car is red, but the hood is carbon fiber, which I think the red with black really adds a lot of flavor to it, makes it look ever so menacing. And yeah, the carbon fiber, and it's textured as well. It's not just plain painted carbon fiber, it's textured as well, which I think is very nicely done. You know, the extra bit of thought and attention to detail really goes a long way for manufacturers like MiniGT. And obviously the left side of the vehicle exactly the same. Wheels spin amazingly well. And yeah, the paint job, I'm just mesmerized honestly, because this is an amazing, I love red, right? My favorite, one of my favorite colors is red. I think this is an amazing renderation of red, and I think this red pearl paint job is just amazing. The MiniGT really knocked it out of the park. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, obviously it says GTR on the license plate. It says Skyline right here, and the GTR logo right there, if you guys can see. And then obviously the very nice, very small spoiler at the rear as well. And if you look at the base of the vehicle, thankfully, and I said luckily, there is a bit of details here. Obviously it says MiniGT right there. We got a couple of pipes and stuff right here, and a diffuser and the exhaust at the rear right there. And obviously it says 1994 Nissan Skyline GTR R32 used under license. So obviously this is an R32 model, a very old school model. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this. I am super excited to have this in my collection. I think GTRs, I'm not a huge JDM guy also, but I think GTRs are very iconic vehicles with a lot of history, a lot of heritage. I think this car is really amazing. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree. But just like that, guys, we are going to do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. just I guess if you come to the end of the video, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time, and I had a blast unboxing this car. This Pearl Red is going to go amazingly well in my collection. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed it. What I'm going to do is, obviously, you guys remember this display cases, right? You guys remember the S15s. You guys remember this. Obviously, I did a shot on YouTube shots on this. I did a YouTube shot on that as well. That was my first MiniGT ever in my collection. What's going to happen is I'm going to put this right here as well. And obviously, I don't have space there. I don't want to stack it up too high because I just don't want to stack it up too high. Not unless I need it. So what I'm going to do is you see that gap right there? I'm going to actually try to put in the gap beside my RLC Countach right there. So there you go. We've got the cap on, the handy dandy cap on. We're just going to try to slide it ever so carefully. There you go, guys. And just like that. Check it out. I think it looks amazing. I think this display case of all just premium cars, obviously the Matchbox, please ignore the Matchbox. I'm going to do an unboxing on that. I just left it there for the sake of it. Besides that, obviously we got more acrylic display cases over here, but these are for Atomic cars. I've got one for MiniGT left right here, and this I got from another fellow collector from Facebook. And obviously we've got my first chase in my collection as well. Dear Unique First Video Garage, just to do a little update with you, just to show what's up. And yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, what kind of cars you want to see me unbox next. I am super excited for this. This R32, really very nice. It's a very subtle car. It's not a very noisy car per se, but I think it's gonna go amazingly well in my collection. But just like that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.